Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Rooftop Botanist. This is Shanku and today I am going to show my spinach plant growth. As you can see, these have grown very long, and if you see my previous videos, these were like very small from seed to seedling and to like 6 to 8 inches long right now. And there are a lot of grass outgrowth from this part. It is actually 57th day update. I could have give you update a little bit earlier, like 55 to 50 days, but the thing is that I am preparing for a lot of exams right now, government exams, and that's why the delay. And previously it was like a lot of rain was there, so the soil actually dried out, and I am giving this solution, NPK solution and gypsum salt solution, and this is actually the mustard husk solution that I am fermenting for quite a few months. I am using this to the plant, and again I am adding some more water to this. And as you can see, this is my tomato growth, first tomato growth. This is the next tomato growth. There is a lot of fruit, you can see. So fertilizer is working, I will say, and there is also a lot of fruit. As you can see, the fertilizer is actually working, but the rain actually counterproductive. They are actually draining all the fertilizer and nutrient resources for the plant from this tub. But it could have been better, but the problem is that I am facing, I could have planted this plant a little bit earlier. It is like winter is going and the warmth could not be bothered by this plant, and this plant will actually like drying from the bottom. As you can see, this plant, this leaf and this leaf actually wilting out because of the warm weather. But I don't know how to solve this problem. This is actually coming to summer season, and I am watering using fertilizer and monitoring this plant for a long time, but the result is there. As you can see, the growth is there, but it could have been better, I will say. Okay, if you like this video and to compare this video, you can watch my previous videos to compare this and see the growth result difference. I'll keep you updated, and if you like this video, you can give it a like. Thank you, and watch out for more.